Emma, where are my car keys?
I don't know, James.
Oh no, I am late for work.
Are you sure they are not in your pocket?
Let me check. Oh, here they are.
You always forget your keys in the morning.
That is true. I am very messy in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, that is very early for me.
I like to have time for myself.
What do you do first?
I drink a glass of water and stretch.
I usually stay in bed for 10 more minutes.
I can't do that or I will fall asleep again.
I understand. I do that sometimes too.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I always have some bread and coffee.
I prefer to eat some fruit and yogurt.
That sounds like a healthy daily habit.
It helps me feel more energetic.
I should try eating more fruit too.
We need to leave now to catch the bus.
Okay, let's walk together to the station.
Do you walk this way every day?
Yes, it is my favorite part of the morning.
I like the fresh air here.
It is very quiet at this time.
How long does it take to walk there?
It takes about 10 minutes.
That is a good way to get some exercise.
I agree. I don't like sitting all day.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but I usually listen to a podcast.
I like listening to English conversation practice lately.
That is a great way to learn new words.
It helps me use everyday English better.
I think your English is getting very good.
Look, the bus is arriving on time today.
That is a surprise. It is usually late.
I hope we can find a seat.
Me too. My bag is quite heavy today.
What do you have in there?
I have my laptop and some books.
Do you study on the bus?
Yes, I read for 20 minutes.
I usually just look out the window.
Looking out the window is relaxing.
It helps me plan my day.
I like to write my to-do list in the morning.
That is a very organized habit, Emma.
It helps me stay calm at work.
I need to stop at the shop for a minute.
Sure, I need some milk too.
Do you go shopping every day?
No, I go 3 times a week.
I prefer to go once a week on Saturdays.
Is it crowded on Saturdays?
Yes, it is very busy, but I have time.
I like to buy fresh vegetables every few days.
That makes sense for cooking.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Most nights, but I eat out on Fridays.
Friday is a good day for a restaurant.
I like to try new food once a week.
I usually visit my parents on Friday evenings.
That is a very nice tradition.
We always have a big family dinner.
Oh, wait a minute, Emma.
What is wrong?
This milk bottle is leaking.
Oh no, look at your sleeve.
It's all over my arm.
Here, take this tissue.
Thank you. That was a lucky catch.
Let's get another bottle from the back.
Good idea. I don't want a wet bag.
Actually, this milk is on sale today.
Really? How much is it?
It's half price if you buy 2.
That's great. Let's take 2 then.
Now we both have enough milk for the week.
What are your plans after work?
I am going to the park for a run.
Do you run every afternoon?
No, only on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
I want to start running too.
You should come with me today.
I don't have my running shoes here.
Maybe next time then.
I usually go to the gym on Wednesdays.
What do you do at the gym?
I lift weights and then I swim.
Swimming is excellent for your body.
I feel very tired after, but it is good.
I prefer yoga because it is more peaceful.
I tried yoga once, but I am not flexible.
You just need to practice every day.
Do you want a coffee before we continue?
Yes, I would love a hot latte.
I will have a black coffee, please.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
Only if I have a lot of work.
I try to drink tea after 4 p.m.
Tea is better for sleeping later.
Exactly. I want to sleep early tonight.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually at 10 or 10:30.
I often stay up until midnight.
That is why you are tired in the morning.
You are right. I need to change that habit.
Try reading a book instead of using your phone.
I will try that tonight.
I like talking about our habits like this.
Me too. It is good English for beginners.
It helps us learn simple daily words.
If our friends like this, they should subscribe.
Yes, and click the bell to see our new videos.
I hope they can tell us their habits too.
They can write a comment below this video.
That is a great way to practice writing.
I always read the comments in the evening.
It is part of your daily routine now. The sun is starting to go down now.
It is a beautiful evening for a walk.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. It was a productive day.
I'm going to head home and cook.
What are you making for dinner?
I think I will make some pasta.
Enjoy your meal, James.
Thank you. See you tomorrow morning.
See you at the bus stop.
Don't forget your books.
I won't. Have a good night.